Welcome to Learn Day, guys. Today I will be detailing out the MotoGP with pinch of data science and AI. MotoGP bikes are so fast that they almost break the laws of physics. To meet sports rules, the two-wheelers can't weigh more than 346 pounds, but their carbon fiber frames hold 1000cc engines with more than 250 horsepower. Most people can't even imagine what a MotoGP rider does for a living. He must not only keep his body balanced on the beats, which takes a lot of strength, but also steer it through rough turns while making sure its tires stay stuck to the road. This is where technology can help. MotoGP bikes change at a very fast rate. They have changed into devices that can connect to the Internet of Things and send information to the racer and his pit crews about everything, from how the bike changes gears to how sticky the track is. Some people call it the fourth industrial revolution for transportation technology. AI, big data, high performance computers, and servers are all helping stay ahead of the pack as MotoGP speeds into the future. Data from 100 IoT sensors on the bikes and testing data are used to figure out how the bikes do on the track. The Accenture solution lets team engineers come up with new ideas by simulating and judging how well a bike works in different situations. Engineers can make the best bike configuration for any MotoGP race by using simulations based on data from previous tests and advanced analytics and machine learning techniques. The data lets the technicians understand the activities and make guesses about how changing one setting or another might affect how a bike performs on a test track. This makes it possible to test more possible configurations than ever before, making the most of the benefits of testing on the track and getting a competitive edge for race day. While some people are researching data that can be used in the race, there is another group of people working on Motobot. The idea and what makes this project so special was to put the robot on a regular, unmodified motorcycle, in this case a Yamaha, and send it down to pit lane to beat Rossi. Normal automated vehicles don't work like this because the automation is built into the car, not just stuck on top of it. Even though the Yamaha needed a little tinkering to keep the bot to sit in the place, the R1M was for all intents and purposes a stock bike. It had normal controls, a normal dashboard and a normal body. It even had a key to turn on the engine. They started the ambitious project with the help of SRI International, a research institute. They wanted Motobot to be able to keep up with a real world-class rider on a real track, but it had to learn the basics first. In 2015, they got it more very slowly by using levers, pulleys, cams, and bits of string to move it in and out of cones. But everyone has to start somewhere, right? In the same year, they got the thing to make 1000 decisions a second on its own and go 100 km/h on the straight. The goal for 2017 was 200 km/h, which they quickly beat, and they were racing against the clock on the track before long. When Rossi was asked to race by the Motobot team, it wasn't even close. The former world champion did a lap that was over 30 seconds faster than his robotic opponent. The Italian MotoGP star did a lap in 125.740, while the bike-dragging robot did a lap in 157.501. In fairness to Yamaha and Motobot guys, that's like comparing it to Valentino Rossi, who is one of the best bike racers of all time. Even now, only a few people in the world, let alone robots, can ride as well as he does. And going around a 2-mile track in 157 is probably about average for a track day. When you look at it this way, it's a pretty impressive feat because not many slow group boys could lap Rossi in 30 seconds. I know that computers can process a ton of information really quickly, but a machine will never have the same feel as a chimp, let alone a MotoGP rider. And all the scientists in the world couldn't come up with a program or computer algorithm that works like the mind of a MotoGP rider. It could provide the best example to a data scientist who can do the impossible. Imagine a robot implanted with hell lot of data and that robot races with the world's best racer Valentino Rossi. Do you think this is an easy matter? The bike of 1000cc capacity can easily reach 100 km/h in a couple of gear shifts, and now a robot is doing the same task, just like a human and riding alongside with Valentino Rossi. It is again proven that data science and AI can make wonders in the coming years. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, then please like and share and subscribe to the LearnBay channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon.